Howdy. Welcome to the Texas Boys TV YouTube channel. I've got something a little different for y'all here today. I took a little trip to one of my favorite places to get some awesome videos for y'all. We have a 59 Norfolk and Western full orifice S5T, a raised letter K5LLA hybrid, the P5LLA, a 1985 Persephone RS3L, a raised letter K3LA, and a 56K raised letter K5LL. That's the one with a different bore than a normal straight 4. Unfortunately, this time of year the sun goes down a lot sooner, so it got dark on us pretty fast. But don't worry, because I used my dash cam to give y'all another perspective for these runs. I want to give a shout out to each and every one of y'all who subscribe to this channel. We just hit 300 subs, and that's amazing. If you get to the end of this video and you've enjoyed it, share it with a friend. My goal is to hit 500 subs before the end of the year. Leave me a comment if you want the in-cab audio from these runs. I might post them over on the Texas Boys B-Side channel. Again, thanks to each and every one of y'all who subscribed to this channel because it means a lot. I appreciate it if you would like this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.